Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us, we really appreciate it. Today we're getting back into the swing of things with football season, and we're going to ask you guys to please subscribe, share these videos. Today we're going to be doing a drawing of Odell Beckham Jr. with his new team, the Baltimore Ravens. OBJ was drafted in 2014 by the New York Giants, played for the Browns, the Rams, and now with Lamar Jackson and the Baltimore Ravens. So let's get started. We're going to grab our dark marker here, pointed tip, find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and then shift up. We're going to do OBJ's head right here. So we're going to do the jaw of OBJ with a big beard. So here we go. We're going to go slant down, come to the middle. There's the chin, kind of flat. Slant up and slant in. Okay, this is going to be the beard area. We'll do an ear, a couple of ovals for the ear on the side, bump out for the side of the head, bump out for the side of the head. Now we're going to do the hair on top, go up, kind of curve, and come down to connect. Awesome. Okay. So let's do the hair real quick. Angle, angle, up, come across, and down. Okay? Now let's do an eye. We're going to do an oval. 1, 2. These are cartoons, as you know, if you're familiar with our channel. We just have fun drawing, kid cartoon versions of our favorite athletes. So inside the eye, we're going to do a couple of circles. Those are going to stay white. Those are the reflections. And we're going to color these eyes in with our dark marker, leaving those circles and that area at the bottom white. Okay. Here we go. Color those in, fill it in with your dark marker. As you can tell, I'm kind of sick right now. That's why I have a cold. Alright, here we go. So I like to grab a light blue or purple and just kind of fill in this area. Add a little color to the eye. I like to say this is the reflection of the stadium lights off of the player's eyes. So let's do a couple of eyebrows. We start at the edge of the eye and we angle up, come down, angle down. Alrighty. And straight line up, angle up and down to a point, angle up and down to a point. We'll fill those in with our dark marker. Kind of makes him look angry, but hey, maybe he's having a serious game, He's really focused. Lamar Jackson is going to throw him some touchdown passes, maybe some one-handed catches. Alright, so the nose. So come down from the edge of the eye, dot, the edge of the eye, dot, okay? We're going to do up, down, kind of like a bird shape. And these nostrils we're going to fill in kind of like a sideways raindrop. Side arch. Okay? Now let's do his mouth. Up, down, kind of like a bird. A line underneath. Top lip goes up, down, down. Awesome. So his beard is going to start right here. It'll come over to the edge. I'm drawing this line, and his mustache will kind of fill in over those lips. I'm scribbling up and down. Okay. I'm leaving the lips, all this area is going to be filled in with our dark marker. I'm just kind of filling it in real quick so you can see where it's going to be. Alright, so let's do the neck. Down to a point, connect. Shoulder pad comes out from that neck, bump, little bump, curve, and then we go down to the waist, little waist, curve to the shoulder pad. All right, so we're gonna do a big oversized football on this side. Curve out, curve out. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Those are the fingertips holding onto that football. And we'll do his bicep, his muscle popping out here. Bump and bump into the football. Okay, so it's hiding behind that football. Bump and bump into that football. Let's do his hand right here. We're gonna do a thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Okay, and his bicep over here, bump, and then bump down into the finger, bump, bump down into that finger. Okay. Bump out, bump out. He has kind of this black shirt that comes out from underneath his jersey. So here's the pants. Up, round out, and connect to the hip. His calves are kind of long. He's a receiver, he's fast. So he's got these long, skinny, fast legs. These kind of angle down, angle down, angle down, angle down, and connect. Big oversized shoes. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. And now take that toe out to the edge of the page, drop it down. Like I said before, these are cartoons. We're just having a good time. Come straight across and connect the ankle. Okay? Bring the ankle down. Come straight across to the edge of the page. Same size. And connect that shoelace. All right, so we have OBJ pretty much filled in here. We're gonna do I'm gonna grab the purple, because that's the color of the jersey, and I'm gonna do the number 3 for OBJ. So right here, we're gonna go straight down, curve, straight down, okay? And a big curve out, and a big curve out, and connect. There's the number 3, the edge of, let's see if I can find the right, kind of an orangish brown color for the outline. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna get this kind of orange or kind of a rusty color. Okay, and I'm gonna outline the number 3 with a thin, rusty kind of orange. It's just a highlight that they have on these numbers. Okay, that should work. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna fast forward. We're gonna give Odell kind of a fun purple hair. He likes to bleach his hair, so we'll do a purple hair, skin color, purple jersey, white pants, black socks, black shoes. We'll do that in fast forward. So thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw, Odell Beckham Jr. Please subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. Fast forward now.